Transparently add interactivity, temperature and moisture control, or even RF signal processing anywhere on your next generation electronic device using Chasm's CNT hybrid platform, even when it's organically shaped for smart surfaces. Available exclusively from Chasm Advanced Materials, CNT hybrids overcome limitations imposed by other transparent conductive films, offering superior optoelectronic performance, robust environmental stability, both flexibility and formability, rapid and inexpensive design turns, and affordable manufacturing at production scales. Let's take a closer look at the properties making CNT hybrids unique in their capabilities and the straightforward methods used for their scalable manufacturing into transparent circuits needed for your next innovative electronics product. Chasm Advanced Materials is the world's most innovative carbon nanotube company. Our best-in-class carbon nanotubes, or CNTs, are the common thread across our product line. Only Chasm has the capability to affordably manufacture the type, chirality, size, and aspect ratio perfect for any application. Targeting the $3 billion transparent flexible printed electronics market, Agent stands alone being better performing, offering greater stability in aggressive environmental conditions, more affordable, and more sustainable than the leading commercial alternative, indium tin oxide, or ITO. Being a ceramic-based material and brittle, the incumbent ITO is physically incapable of providing the flexibility and formability of contemporary market demands. In addition, Agent provides better transparency and conductivity in head-to-head comparisons to simply deliver better performance, hands down. While competitive to ITO at the film level, at the circuit patterning level, which is what is needed to create printed electronic devices, Agent is substantially more affordable. For ITO, the cost of a circuit pattern is typically 4 times that of the film due to the inefficient patterning methods required, such as laser ablation. For Agent, the circuit patterning process is simple, fast, and affordable. Print, etch, done. Using low-cost and pervasive manufacturing methods, transparent printed circuits using Agent lower the expense and financial risk of design turns and quickly deliver quality manufacturing at production scales. Supporting features as fine as 100 microns, Agent uses robust and mature screen printing techniques to create even complex, multi-layered circuits that are quick to turn around for rapid design iterations. An inexpensive and mature form of additive manufacturing, manual or automated screen printing equipment requires little tooling expense and is used to apply the Agent CNT ink onto either a silver nanowire or metal mesh Agent conductive substrate. Following a short thermal and/or UV cure in a conveyor oven, the CNT ink encapsulates the conductive metal layer, making it environmentally stable. No separate etch mask is required, further simplifying and expediting circuit patterning. A quick pass through a manual or conveyorized etch bath removes the conductive metal where it's not required, creating the final desired circuits. Print, etch, done can easily fabricate hundreds or thousands of circuits per hour, delivering a competitive advantage through the critical speed necessary for agility, even when product life cycles are short and consumer interests change fast. One of the target applications for Agent is transparent touch sensors for a variety of products, including consumer appliances, wearable devices, automotive interiors, or medical devices. There's an undeniable trend towards using touch sensors on top of information displays, with many applications requiring extreme environmental robustness to heat and humidity, such as in automotive. A second target application is transparent heaters, especially for ensuring camera, radar, and LiDAR sensors work properly by defogging or de-icing their fields of view. Reliable safety systems are essential for autonomous vehicles to become a reality. Current heaters are based on microwire technology, which is not compatible with optical sensors and not affordable for today's sculpted headlamps. A third target application is transparent antennas. There's an unmet market need for high-performance antennas that are both transparent and affordable. Transparency enables manufacturers to hide antennas in plain sight, an attractive approach overcoming the increased antenna density required for the rollout of 5G and the exploding number of IoT devices coming online. Finally, unlike ITO, which depends upon rare earth indium found only in trace quantities while mining zinc, making its extraction wasteful and harmful to the environment, Agent is comprised of abundant materials whose production can easily keep up with the increasing demand for flexible transparent electronics, making it more sustainable. Chasm's CNT hybrid platform has helped innovative product companies overcome the limitations imposed by their current printed electronics materials to add interactive smart surfaces previously thought impossible, add invisible and even heat to 3D shaped surfaces, keeping headlamps and windshields clear in harsh weather and autonomous driving systems active, and leverage previously unconsidered glass surfaces as untapped real estate for RF communications, increasing connectivity and performance. Visit www.chasmtech.com to learn why more and more companies are launching their next generation electronic devices enabled by the best flexible printed electronics you'll never see. Chasm Advanced Materials. Your solutions, our materials.